Thanks for coming back, everybody. We got a unique video for you guys today. If you're in the market for a capable off-road vehicle and you happen to be a Toyota fan and don't know which one to buy, this video is for you. Also, if you're a stock mobber, you have a capable off-road vehicle, this video is going to serve as an intro to our Baja series as well. We're going to showcase this 2016 TRD Pro in Inferno Orange for you guys. And later in the video, we're going to let the owner speak for himself just so you can get his opinion on how he likes his suspension setup and what he compares it to. The suspension we're speaking of is the OME suspension kit. It's the OME BP51 kit, which comes complete with front rear dampers with coilovers up front and leafs in the rear. It's also got a set of Total Chaos upper control arm. Now I'm guessing that none of the Toyota fanboy trolls caught the hood scoop giveaway on this truck. True Toyota fans will already know that this truck started its life as a Toyota Tacoma 4x4 package. But after getting all its mods and such, its suspension upgrade makes it superior to a TRD Pro. So the owner felt free to rebadge it with the TRD Pro logos. And as some of the mods go, this vehicle has 31-inch KO2 tires mounted on proper TRD off-road wheels that Mexican dogs seem to like to pee on. It also has a MagnaFlow exhaust, AFE power cooled air intake, and a few lighting upgrades as well. It's got a 30-inch KC Flex light bar, Morimoto HID 55-watt headlights and fog light. It also has those step bars and a ton of driver amenity options in cab. So like I said, before you guys hear directly from the owner, this video is to introduce our Baja series coming up, where we're just going to show you guys how stock vehicles, we're talking TRDs, Raptors, Chevy ZR2s, everything we can get our hands on that's stock from factory. We want to show you guys how they handle and how they survive. So this footage is from our upcoming video, and we have more Baja trips planned, so stay tuned, you guys. I'm going to put a link in the description to the owner because he also sells the drones. He sells kits, he sells upgrades, accessories, and complete drone packages, so check him out if you guys are interested in any of that. I'll also put a link to the owner just in case you guys are interested in purchasing this vehicle as well. Just like all other builders, he's completed this project and he's already proven the vehicle in these Baja series videos, as you're going to see in the future. So he's already eager to move on to his next build and his next project. He expresses difficulty in finding information for taco owners wanting to do old man emu setups on their Tacomas, so he offered a helping hand for our viewers. So here's Steven from Drone World team explaining his suspension setup on his taco and how it compares to the stock Fox shocks on a TRD Pro.
Yeah, so I guess you know, my TRD Tacoma is pretty cool, but I wanted to do the aftermarket suspension, so I did the ARB, the PB51s that OME, the Old Man Emu group, makes. And I heard lots of really good reviews. I couldn't figure out how to adjust them though, so I figured out, you know, some wrenches you can put around them and twist to get them going. But the suspension is far better than the stock shocks that the TRD Pro comes with, the Fox shocks. And they're super soft, they're real cushy, super durable, and made in Australia. Those guys, they told me they're good for 3 years or 60,000 miles, and that's a full replacement, not just fixing it. Yeah, but I've been really happy all over Baja, probably like 500 miles in the last you know, 2 weeks, and I'm ready for some jumping possibly, and even you know, doing some more mods to the truck. But that's the biggest, best one that you can do.
Yeah, this thing held up great, just as good as those for the midsize. How would you compare those shocks against Icons or the Fox that the TRD Pros come with?
Oh yeah, from the TRD factory, those Fox shocks, not I would say these are better. I've ridden quite a few of them. These are substantially better. They have much better rebound, and they're not as cushy for all the street driving. The Icons, I think these are still a little bit better from all the reviews I've heard. So it's interesting to compare it to some other brands. You know, Chevy's got some really nice plush shocks that automatically adjust, and sometimes I wish I had that out on the road all these miles.
Alright, sweet, man.
So again, thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe and like. Please share if you know anybody that's interested in coming to Baja, anybody that wants a Toyota, that's looking for these mods, these upgrades. We do a pretty good job of keeping up with the comments, so any questions you have for the owner, contact him. Again, I'm going to put a link in the description for him so you guys can reach out to him, but reach out to me, I'll get a hold of him. Again, all the footage in this video and some of the footage in the upcoming video, and we're going back this weekend again, so we're going to have some cool Baja series. Like I said, encouraging stock owners to come out here, see what it takes, see how much abuse it gives it, see what you can do, and really learn to enjoy your OEM or lightly modded vehicle. You don't need a giant built Raptor to enjoy Baja. And speaking of giant Raptor builds, stay tuned. We're going to have some updates on our Raptor. It's coming up. I know it sounds boastful, but stay tuned. It's going to be the most insane truck you've ever seen as far as Raptors go. So again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like, and follow us on Instagram if you want to get any sneak peeks into what we're doing in the future, or if you want to organize with us to go on future runs.